We sew two fabrics together, fold them down, scrunch them up, add a cute accessory, and voila! You've got yourself a stunning bow. Hello crafters, welcome to Anjurisa's crafting room. Today I'm excited to show you one of my patterns. It took me a lot of time to make it just right, so it's easy for you to use. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First things first, to get started, make sure to purchase the pattern. You can find the link in both the description and the comment section below. Even if you decide not to buy my pattern, feel free to follow along this tutorial. I'm sure you will pick up something new. Once you've got your hands on it, simply download the template. When printing, remember to adjust your print settings to either actual size or scale it to 100%. Then print it out using either A4 paper or US letter size. You can choose from 5 sizes: tiny, small, medium, large, and oversized. Cut it out the template based on your chosen size. For the letters A, just use adhesive tape to connect them together. Now that you have the pattern, let's get the fabric ready. Feel free to choose any fabric you like. You can stick with one color or mix it up with 2 different fabrics. In this tutorial, I'll be using 2 different fabrics. Place the fabrics together with their right sides facing each other. Make sure that the fabrics are slightly larger than the template. Trace the template onto your fabric using a fabric marker. I've included no sew mark on the template, so you can skip drawing that part. Sew the fabric precisely along the lines we drew. Trim around the edges and all 4 corners to give the bow a nice clean shape. I have a little tip to make the final look even nicer, but let's keep that exclusive for those who have my pattern. Now turn the fabric inside out. Use something pointy to push out the corners. I'm currently into making printable patterns. They're super easy to use and you can reprint them whenever you want. Feel free to check out my Etsy store for exclusive patterns available for purchase. And if you love free stuff, well, who doesn't? Consider subscribing to my channel and turning on notifications for more free content. I've named this bow the Dainty Bow because it's delicate and charming, especially with the fabric folded to create those whimsical tails. I've designed this pattern to be user-friendly, so no matter which size you choose, it will always have the same fold indicated by fold here. Just fold it, lay it on top of the fabric, and then fold the fabric to match the template. Now I will mark the center of the fabric. It's my secret to achieving a perfectly symmetrical bow shape. Sew along the line to secure the fabric in place. Grab your needle and thread, then do a running stitch right along the center line. Gather the fabric, tie it, and secure the thread. We'll attach the accessory to the back of the bow using a hot glue gun. I provided a brief explanation in my previous video. I will also include it in the description for your reference. To finish this, cut a piece of fabric for the bow center according to the template. Fold it with the right sides together, then sew a straight line. Turn the fabric inside out. Then fold the fabric on both ends to create beautiful pleats for the bow center. Attach it to the bow and sew this part for the last time. shift the needle to the left side and sew it. Trim any excess fabric. Turn it over. Secure the bow center, and that's it! Our beautiful dainty bow is finished. Thanks for making this lovely dainty bow with me. If you want to recreate it anytime, make sure to grab the pattern from my Etsy store. If you love crafting and want more fun projects, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Any questions? Just drop a comment below. See you in my next video. Bye!